now.
All right, what's today?
Christmas.
So what do you want? What do you want to go see?
Presents.
Well, who do you think came?
Santa.
Santa. You want to go see?
Yes. Get the.
Come on, Austin. Come see if Santa came.
Santa came. Santa came. My Legos for me.
No way.
My Legos came. Yes.
What kind
Legos
of
I wanted.
what kind of Legos did Santa pick out for you? That's what Santa brought Mommy. What do you think, Austin?